Alright, greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is well. So I had a question about why I didn't have a cast iron Wednesday up last week, and I responded to his email. My email is in the About section, and you're always welcome to email me if you need to. Anyway, I've been having computer trouble. My same trouble I was having before. The motherboard gets too hot and then it shuts down, and I don't know how to fix it. And I actually don't have the money to fix it because, for those of you who know, I lost my job at the end of February, February 26th. I was let go, and I haven't worked since. So all the money I had in my account, pretty much gone. All the money in my savings wiped. I'm basically living this month on credit. So, but I have a new job, but I don't start for another 9 days. So I am broke AF. But I was thinking about, I've been doing the cast iron Wednesdays, but because what I've been doing is when I try to finalize the edits on the video, the fan for the CPU is working really hard because the motherboard gets too hot and it just shuts down. Same problem I was having before. I couldn't do longer videos because of it. Well, now it's gotten a little worse. Probably because I'm on the computer basically from the time I get up until the time I go to bed. Because, you know, I got a job hunt on it, but then when I'm done job hunting, I kind of wait for any callback or emails or texts or something like that. When that's all done, I usually just end up watching YouTube. So, but where was I going with this? Oh well. Anyway, the computer shuts down about 90%, and I've trimmed the video. I cut out. Took some clips, completely deleted them, trimmed up a lot of it, and I just can't seem to get the video to finalize all the edits. So I didn't have a video last week. I had one shot, but I couldn't get the couldn't get it up. I couldn't get it to edit. So I think I might try to do is I might play the clips on the computer, but record it and just play each clip one after another. And record it that way, and then that way it'll be uninterrupted, and I don't have to do any edits. I just have to put it in the there'll be no editing. I'll just put it in and play it and just raw dog my video. That might be the only way I can do it until I get the computer fixed. But first I have to start working again, and then I need to so start working. I gotta pay back all the money I borrowed to survive this month. And then I had some car work. I was trying to get some work done on the car, which has been postponed, but I still need to do that. And then just, you know, pay back everyone. And then I could finally start thinking about getting a new computer, or at least a new motherboard going. I should still be able to use the power supply, the video card, and the drives. I just can't use I just gotta get rid of the motherboard CPU. So it is what it is. I can try shooting a video that way and see how it works. You know, if it just looks like ass, you guys can let me know. But it's the best I got for now. So when I get back from I got some errands to run. I gotta go to the library and whatnot. But when I get back, I'll go ahead and record it, and then we'll just upload it. You guys can let me know what you think. Yay, nay, it's ass. It's the best I can do, at least for now. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one.